So in one of my last videos, I asked the question, can you really make $10,000 a month with the Amazon Influencer Program?
Good question.
And how are the gurus that you're seeing online that are putting up these crazy numbers like $30,000, $50,000 a month, hundreds of thousands of dollars a year doing this program? Is that really possible, and how are they doing it? Or are we all being lied to?
Better not be.
I posed that question to the Can-I community, and one of my OG members, Ashley, thank you so much for your support. You've been fantastic. Ashley had a great comment that I wanted to talk about today. But first, this video is sponsored by BuyMeACoffee.com, the insanely easy-to-use platform that allows you to accept donations from your supportive fans, to set up a membership site, or to sell your products all in one easy-to-use website. If you'd like to support this channel, feel free to buy me a cup of coffee and potentially have your message read in one of my upcoming videos. Thanks again to Buy Me a Coffee for supporting this channel. Now back to the video. Okay, so let's get to the comment. So can you really make $10,000 a month with the Amazon Influencer Program? How are the gurus actually putting up those huge numbers? Ashley said, I haven't made 10K yet with Amazon, but I know people who do, and they leverage Airbnb. So this is a great thing to really get a conversation started here. This is a person in the real world, a real person that actually knows real people that are making $10,000 a month, but they are not doing it by grabbing the things they have in their house and doing simple product reviews of those things. I've done that. I had hundreds of things in my house, and by doing that, I was able to get some pretty impressive numbers, but nowhere near $10,000 a month.
How do you do it?
In order to really put up those types of numbers in a business like this, you need to be able to put money into your business. Now, this scares most people right away. Most people don't want to put money into this. It's way too scary, especially for a side hustle, but think about it. Every business has overhead. You don't just put up a shoe store and then all of a sudden you start making money. You have to rent the building and pay for it. You have to buy the inventory and pay for it. You have to pay for marketing and advertising to get your business listed on Google. There's a whole bunch of overhead to hire employees. You're paying a certain amount of money every month in order to make a little bit more money than that every month, and then that net profit is what you keep for your business.
It's too much.
There's nothing different here with the Amazon Influencer Program. If you want to be putting up 10K months, you need to be buying products, bringing those products specifically into your house, knowing that you're going to be able to rank for those on the carousels, using things like Sortio or other extensions or your free methods in order to figure out what types of products you might definitely be able to get into the top carousels on, do the reviews of those products, resell those products to try to get some of your money back. So you're going to be spending thousands of dollars a month in order to make $10,000 a month. So when you see these gurus online saying they make $10,000 a month, I wonder how much money they actually spent that month in order to make that $10,000. They may have spent $5 to make $10. Would that be okay with you to front $5,000 in order to make $10 the next month? I think that's the way most businesses are built. And like Ashley said here in the comment, a lot of the people she knows that are making those big numbers are also leveraging Airbnbs, meaning that they have already gone through the things that are in their house. They have run out of products to review. So if you rent an Airbnb on the weekend, there might be 100 products in that Airbnb that are available on Amazon. So yes, you had to pay some money to rent the Airbnb, but that Airbnb gave you access to 20, 30, 50 products, whatever you can find in that house. So if you're not willing to put money into your business, you are not going to get these big numbers that you're seeing a lot of the YouTube gurus making. You need to be willing to do things like go to Airbnbs. And again, you might want to check with the Airbnb owners to see if they're okay with that. You might want to buy products specifically, bring them into your house, review them, and then resell them on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, or have a yard sale once a year. Maybe you're paying $10 a video and your friends will do all the reviews of the things in their house. You buy those videos off them for a one-time fee, but still, in order to make really business-sized, life-changing money, you need to be putting some money into the program. So is $10,000 a month possible in this program? Yes, it is. Am I making that? No, I am not. My highest month was over $6,000, and that was in December, but I have been kind of only doing product reviews on the things that I'm buying or wanting or needing. I don't buy things specifically to review them. If I need a new mug because this mug broke, I go buy a mug. I was gonna buy one anyway. I do some research using Sortio to see if it's something that I think I can be ranked for. I buy that mug specifically and I do a review on it and I go about my day. And I'm not putting up any impressive numbers, but I am putting up enough numbers for me to pay my bills, which for me is amazing. So yes, you can make $10,000 a month. And like Ashley said, you're gonna need to do some other things other than the things that you have access to in your house to get there, like Airbnb. So thanks to Buy Me a Cup of Coffee for supporting this channel. If this information is entertaining or interesting and helpful in any way, then feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Not sure I agree.